Well, man, oh man, look at the fall garden. These are my peas. These are zipper cream peas. Here's the ones I replanted that the rabbits got, but the rest of them are doing great. Replanted some over there, replanted that little gap right there. They've come up some. Man, they're looking good. Those are 2 feet tall and just really looking nice. Gonna start getting close to blooming. I tell you what, these are going a lot quicker in the fall than they did in the spring. Peas love hot weather, and they germinated quick, and they started really growing fast. So that's my peas. There's my corn. Corn is 30 inches tall, probably. I came through here with the wheel hoe, dug me a furrow in between the rows on the outside of this outside row, and fertilized about a pound, not quite a pound per row. The rows are about 20 feet long, 25 feet long. Usually like to do a pound every 30 feet of triple 13, and watered it in real good with my sprinkler system. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, putting those sprinklers up like that, making this sprinkler system for the garden, then look up in the corner right about there, right about now, and I'll show you the length of that video. Works great. So here's the corn, and there are the peas. We're gonna have us some more zipper cream peas. We like those. All right, let me just take you over here and show you the 2 survivors. These are my 2 tomato plants that have survived. They've come out of that 5-foot cage, gone down to the ground, and come back up. They're about 12, 14 feet long. Starting to maybe start to produce some tomatoes. They're blooming a little bit. It's a little warm, but maybe they will. And those little tomato plants I put in the ground, I showed you those fall tomato plants. They're just kind of sitting there. One of them didn't make it. The rest of them look like they might make it. I bought 6, look like maybe 3 or 4 out of 6 gonna make it. But here's my 2 surviving tomato plants, and I believe those are beefsteak. One of them is a park whopper, and one of them is a beefsteak. These are my peppers. Peppers are loaded down. So this is the garden. I showed you the grow arches with the rabbit netting on it to keep the rabbits out. And if you don't have any grow arches, you ought to make you some. Those are pretty neat. In fact, if you want to know what a grow arch is and what the heck I'm talking about, look right up there right about now, and I'll link to that video. Grow arches, pretty easy to make. All right, I just want to take a look at my fall garden. I may turn the water on. It is looking a little dry. It's been a while since I watered. That's it. Okra, big and tall. New tomato plants may not make it, not sure. Some of them will, some of them won't probably. Big tomato plants hopefully will start producing. But the corn is looking good. I need to come in here and heal it. Throw some dirt on those rows, throw some dirt on those plants to help hold the roots down in case we start getting some wind or something. They're gonna get tall enough to start blowing over if I don't do that. So need to do that. I planted one seed per 8 inches, 10 inches, something like that. I didn't do 2 and thin, I just did 1. But you know, they got a little bit of damage. I'm sure we got grasshoppers, and I haven't sprayed them with anything. Don't really want to, but if I see I have to, I will. Anyway, that's it. Got a good stand of peas for fall gardening in Texas. Peas love hot weather. Plant you some. All right, we're gone.